In 7.5, we're going to concentrate on indoor air pollutants. So there's a whole bunch of things in your home that could be emitting pollutants in your bathrooms, in your bedrooms, in your attic, all sorts of things. So this picture just shows some general sources, not to say that it applies in every single case, but that's just generally where we find the most likely source of that pollution. Here's some more. So we're going to focus on carbon monoxide. That one is pretty common. So we've talked before that carbon monoxide is an asphyxiant. So that means it binds to red blood cells more easily than oxygen. And so it means like that red blood cell can't carry oxygen. So this can be emitted from anything that is a source of combustion, because that increases the chances of having incomplete combustion. So maybe if you have a gas stove or a fireplace, those could be good sources. But also, things like tobacco smoke, dryers, water heaters, vehicles. So you really do not want to have your vehicle running in a closed area, because that can emit carbon monoxide. So very bad. Another common one is particulates. So particulates could be things like asbestos, dust, smoke, mold, all sorts of things. Another one we want to focus on is radon 222 or 222. So radon comes from the decay of uranium in some rocks in the soil. It's a natural process, but what can happen is it can float upwards through the soil, through water. It can accumulate in basements, or get into the house through like cracks in the wall or foundations. And this is bad because it's a radioactive gas. And exposure to a radioactive gas for a long period of time can cause lung cancer. In fact, it actually is the second leading cause of lung cancer in America. Now, it is over a long period of time, but you still want to make sure to check your house every now and then, just to make sure there's no radon. And there are other things you could do. I mean, for all of these, making sure your house is well ventilated, cleaning your air filters, like replacing your air filters and stuff like that. So human-made sources of these pollutants include things like insulation. VOCs can come off of furniture, paneling, carpets. You get formaldehyde from building materials, furniture, upholstery, carpeting. Lead can be in paint if it's a really old house and has really old plumbing. And the effects of all these can be lung cancer, definitely respiratory issues, and also just a feeling of just like bleh. If you're just in a bad breathing environment for a long period of time, you can get flu-like symptoms, fatigues, and headaches.